Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring a vital skill in our interconnected world, cultural intelligence, or CQ. Let's dive into what it is and why it matters. Cultural intelligence is the ability to relate to and work effectively across cultures. It's about understanding and appreciating cultural differences, which is crucial in our globalized society. As businesses expand internationally and workplaces become more diverse, the need for cultural intelligence has never been greater. Let's look at why this matters. Research shows that diverse teams are more innovative and make better decisions. Companies with high cultural intelligence are better equipped to engage with diverse markets, leading to increased success. Now, how do we develop cultural intelligence? It involves 4 key components. First, cognitive. This means understanding cultural norms and practices. For instance, learning about communication styles in different cultures. Second, emotional. Being aware of your own cultural biases and attitudes. Reflecting on your reactions to cultural differences is a good example. Third, physical. Adapting your behavior to different cultural contexts. You might modify your communication style based on cultural expectations. And finally, motivational. The desire to engage with and learn from diverse cultures. Actively seeking out opportunities to interact with people from different backgrounds is a great way to do this. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine you're working on a project with colleagues from different countries. Understanding their cultural perspectives can lead to more effective collaboration. Ask questions, listen actively, and show respect for their viewpoints. Here are a few tips to boost your cultural intelligence. First, educate yourself. Read about different cultures, their customs, and communication styles. Second, engage with diverse communities. Attend cultural events, join groups, and participate in discussions. Third, practice empathy. Try to see things from others' perspectives and appreciate their experiences. And finally, reflect. After interactions, consider what went well and what you could improve next time. In summary, cultural intelligence is not just a nice to have. It's essential for personal and professional success in a globalized world. By enhancing our CQ, we can foster better relationships, drive innovation, and create inclusive environments. Thank you for joining me today. Let's commit to navigating our diverse world with cultural intelligence. Together, we can make a positive impact.